Cooking should be a joy, not a hassle. However, many of us have faced the frustration of sticky pans, uneven cooking, and difficult cleanups. This Caannasweis Nonstick Granite frying pan, a kitchen essential designed to transform your cooking experience. With its superior nonstick performance, elegant design, and user-friendly features, this 8-inch skillet is perfect for whipping up everything from delicate omelets to hearty meals. In this review, we'll uncover why this frying pan is a game changer, its unique features, and why it deserves a spot in your kitchen. Why the Caannasweis Nonstick Frying Pan is worth it. Cooking shouldn't feel like a chore, and with the Caannasweis Nonstick Granite Frying Pan, it doesn't have to. From its exceptional nonstick performance and stylish design to its health-conscious features and versatility, this pan is a must-have for any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, this skillet simplifies cooking while elevating your culinary creations. Invest in this high-quality frying pan and rediscover the joy of preparing delicious meals with ease. 1. Rediscover the joy of cooking. Imagine starting your day with a perfectly cooked omelet that slides effortlessly onto your plate. The Caannasweis Nonstick Granite Frying Pan makes this possible with its premium nonstick coating. Gone are the days of scraping burnt food off your pans or dealing with unevenly cooked meals. Are you tired of scrubbing stubborn pans after every meal? This frying pan makes cleanup so easy. You'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. 2. Exceptional nonstick performance. The star of this frying pan is its 3-layer nonstick coating. Designed for durability and long-lasting performance, this pan can withstand up to 10,000 uses, making it ideal for high-frequency cooking. Whether you're frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or making pancakes, the non-stick surface ensures flawless food release every time. Say goodbye to frustratingly sticky pans. This granite-coated skillet delivers a seamless cooking experience, meal after meal. 3. Healthier cooking, happier you. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate that the Caannasweis frying pan is PFOA-free. This ensures that no harmful chemicals are released during cooking, making it a safer choice for your family. Additionally, its non-stick surface requires minimal oil or butter, allowing you to prepare healthier meals without compromising on flavor. Looking to cut down on calories without sacrificing taste? This pan makes healthy cooking a breeze. 4. Natural design meets modern functionality. The granite coating of this frying pan isn't just for aesthetics. It also provides a durable, scratch-resistant surface. Combined with the wood grain handle, this pan brings a touch of nature-inspired elegance to your kitchen. While the faux wood handle adds style, it's also ergonomically designed for comfort and heat resistance. Keep in mind, however, that it's not oven-safe, so stick to stovetop cooking. Who says cookware can't be stylish? The Caannasweis frying pan proves that function and beauty go hand in hand. Number 5. Induction-Compatible versatility. Whether you use gas, electric, ceramic, or induction stovetops, the Caannasweis frying pan is designed to work seamlessly on all types of heat sources. Its 8-inch size makes it ideal for small households or preparing individual portions. Need a pan that works on any stovetop? This versatile skillet has you covered, no matter your cooking setup. 6. Effortless cleanup. Thanks to its superior nonstick coating, this frying pan is incredibly easy to clean. A quick wipe with a soft sponge and minimal detergent is all you need to keep it looking brand new. Imagine spending less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. With this pan, cleanup is as easy as cooking. 7. Customer satisfaction guaranteed. Every Caannasweis product undergoes a rigorous inspection process to ensure top-notch quality. If you encounter any issues, their customer service team is just a click away. Simply go to your order, contact seller for prompt assistance. Worried about defects? Rest assured, Caannasweis has your back with their dedicated service guarantee. Conclusion. The Caannasweis Nonstick Granite Frying Pan is a standout addition to any kitchen, offering a perfect blend of functionality, style, and durability. With its superior nonstick coating, PFOA-free design, and versatile compatibility with all stovetops, it simplifies cooking while making it healthier and more enjoyable. The elegant granite finish and ergonomic wood grain handle bring a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, while the effortless cleanup makes it a practical choice for busy home cooks. If you're looking for a frying pan that offers excellent performance, longevity, and ease of use, the Caannasweis frying pan is an investment you won't regret. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.